welcome back to the channel. Guys, we've done some Godzilla swaps already, and they were kind of crazy. Superchargers, all of that stuff. Today, we're going to show you, with our friends at LMR, a poor man's, if you will, or budget style Godzilla swap. So let's check it out. Alright guys, I've got the YouTube star, Landon from LMR. Guys, seriously, go check out the LMR YouTube channel. They do really, really good in-depth install tutorials of all the stuff they sell. One of which is behind us.
Yep, absolutely.
So, here's the deal, guys. We're not going to talk a lot. This car is Godzilla swap. It's a very basic, get it in, get it rolling, blue collar, something you guys could do in their garage. So we're just going to dive right in, keep it short, and talk about putting Godzilla stuff together.
Let's do it.
All right. And of course, the master technician, Hubbard, dude. I mean, I don't know who's more famous. You, I don't know. Probably Landon.
He knows more than anybody. So obviously, he pretty much built the car you see here.
So really quick and simple. When we're doing this, we need an engine.
Yep.
We need headers, K-member. Which the cool thing is, by you guys doing all this, you're putting all this stuff together for sale as a package on the website to make that easier, which is a huge thing. But what are they looking at as far as just getting this thing in and going?
So very similar to a Coyote swap. If you keep that same mindset of engine swap, this falls in that same formula. Like you mentioned, obviously engine, headers, control pack, everything there, you just kind of build it around. So fuel system, you see we've got AC on the car, one-off custom cold air intake. But a lot of parts, you know, that if you own a Fox body, those are our contour fans and those will be brackets, both of which were designed by Scott Hubbard. So another many of his awesome pieces that we have on our site. But really, it's an engine swap.
Right.
Control pack, put a transmission behind it, and just kind of start feeling the points everywhere else.
Just let her roll.
Yep.
So it's not rocket science. It's just swaps. So let me put this to you guys. What was, if you could say, what was the big top one or top two head scratchers that you ran into in doing this?
Well,
if there were any?
Before the headers, we were needing headers. But once we have all the parts, it's a pretty basic.
Pretty straightforward.
The oil system has to be plumbed from one side to the other.
Right. I've heard that. Is that a big expensive ordeal, or?
Depending on the route you go, what pan you prefer, a few different setups out there. At the time of this video, we currently do not have an oil pan solution.
Okay.
So hopefully, as we can, as you start to see oil pans come to the market, you know, hopefully we can find one that we think best fits us, best fits our customer. We'll definitely go that route. The one that's on the car, it's a really nice piece. It's 417 Motorsports pan. It's all aluminum, hand welded, built right here in America. Really, really great piece. And if you set them over each other face down, the 417 Motorsport pan is about 5 1/4 inches.
Okay.
You know, less shallow.
As far as the depth,
as far low as it hangs versus the factory oil pan, you know, on the Godzilla truck engine.
Gotcha. So, I mean, other than that though, I mean, it's it's alive, and this is what's next, you know? And the cool thing is, you can still do your small block Ford, you can still do a Coyote, but now you can do a freaking big block, and a modern big block. So, I mean, guys, it's a great day to be a Ford fan, and the LMR crew is putting things together like this car to put those parts together so we can swap them at home, you know? So, shout out to you guys. I mean, seriously, you guys helped make this stuff possible, and to see this car here, to see it start and run and drive is freaking epic. And again, this thing is in its infancy, and I mean, I would say you guys are pioneers doing this. I mean, they've been done, but you know.
Yeah, definitely a lot to figure out. Like anything, you know, like anything new, lots to figure out.
Yeah, lots to figure out. The ones that I've shown on the channel before were more race oriented,
very, which is good.
Yeah,
good because
definitely
those cars are needed to build enthusiasm.
Right.
You know, to get people behind the new stuff, the new swap, whatever it may be. But in reality, you know, this is going to be the swap.
This is what you're going to do at home.
People are going to do.
Right. You're going to buy an engine, drop it in. You're not going to do cranking rods. You might do boost later, but this is what it's going to look like in your garage.
Exactly.
So, yes, sir. I freaking love it. All right, guys, like I said, I wanted to keep that short and sweet, but LMR is on top of it, doing a more basic, just budget, how we would do it at the shop, swap, and this car is it. Check out their YouTube channel because they got a lot more coming. Dyno, track, all of that. And of course, we're gonna be doing this as well. Very excited about that. Huge shout out to LMR. They've got parts coming. The Godzilla is a lot more popular and a lot more probable now as we get a little farther along with it, and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.